Good morning. The Committee on Parole is called to order. It is 8:48 a.m. on Tuesday, 2025. My name is Cheryl Renat, serve as chairman of today's parole panel. My colleagues today on the panel are Mr. Steve Prater to my left, Mr. Pete Freeman to my right. Would the staff here introduce yourself for the record?
Jasmine Thompson.
Sherelle. And our first remote location for revocations this morning is at Jefferson Parish Correctional Center. Good morning, sir. Would you introduce yourself?
Good morning, Deputy Marlboro with Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Chico Carter.
All right. Thank you so much for accommodating us this morning. Is Mr. Carter there?
Yes, he is.
Right. Where is he? There he is. Good morning, Mr. Carter. Would you
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Would you introduce yourself? Tell us your name and DOC number.
My name is Chico Ahmed Carter. My DOC number is 389-108.
All right, yes, sir. And just want you to know, and I guess you can see your mom is here, and she, well, I guess she's there. No, she's at probation. She wants to speak on your behalf, and we'll ask her for her comments in just a moment. But we're here for a revocation proceeding. Do you have the revocation questionnaire there in front of you? You have a form there?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that your signature at the bottom of that page?
Yes, ma'am.
So based on your answers to those questions in that questionnaire, you're not eligible for appointed counsel. So are you ready to proceed without counsel this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Your case has been assigned to Mr. Freeman, so I'm going to turn it over to him to read the allegations.
Okay, Mr. Carter, I'm gonna read the allegations and you to plead guilty, not guilty, with or without a statement. And then we'll discuss the matters once I finish reading all of the allegations, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you were engaged in criminal activity when you were arrested on January 30th, 2025 by the Kenner Police Department for 2 counts of misdemeanor domestic abuse battery and 1 count of felony domestic abuse aggravated assault. You pled guilty under the Alford plea on March 26, 2025. How do you plead to that charge?
Guilty, sir.
Okay. You were ordered to pay $63 per month in parole supervision fees starting on May 1st, 2024. You have not made any payments on your supervision fees and are currently $567 in arrears. How do you plead to that charge?
Guilty, sir.
Okay. So, I mean, what's the basis? You pled guilty to the violations. I mean, where am I to go through from there?
I mean, I thought that if that's what I pleaded on the paper, that's what I should plead.
Yeah, that's true. Tell me what happened.
But sir, well, what happened was my ex-wife, you know what I'm saying, for about 20-something years, you know, came to my house, came to my address, and when I walked out to the car and I leaned in the car like normal to talk to her, and when I leaned in the car, I seen her flash a hammer. And at that point, when she flashed the hammer, I grabbed her hand. I grabbed her hand with my right hand because her hand was on the passenger side of the seat with the hammer. And I grabbed her hand. When I grabbed her hand, she went to trying to attack me as well, which I have all the bruises on the pictures where she scratched me up. Now I'm trying to defend myself from not being hit with this hammer. And at this point, you know what I'm saying, I'm wrestling with her not to be hit with this hammer. So when I come out of the car, she stands up and my mom, and at this time, I guess my mom, she's standing between, and I snatched the hammer from her hand because I feared for my life. I didn't go out there to do anything to her. When I sat in the car to talk, not to cause any problems. But when she showed me the hammer, that's the second time she came to that address with a hammer to attack me. The first time, you know what I'm saying, first time when we took the hammer, I gave it to my mom, and mom put it in the house. This second time, you know what I'm saying, when I lean into the car, you know what I'm saying, I'm talking to her, and I just see a hammer come up. Why would you bring a hammer to just if you come to talk to me? So automatically I fear for my life.
Gotcha.
And at this time, yes, sir.
Go ahead. So at this time, what happened then?
At this time, you know what I'm saying, as I'm holding her, first I'm holding both hands because with the hammer with both hands. And then I take it away because she's attacking me with the other hand. She's attacking me with the free hand. Actually, her left hand, or no, her right hand is on the passenger seat. You know what I'm saying, with the hammer in it, covered up with a shirt. And when I'm leaning into the car like this here, like I'm sitting on the edge of the car, leaning in the car. So when I'm leaning in the car, now when I grab her hand, she's attacking me. You know what I'm saying?
Got all that, yeah.
Yes, sir. So when I step out the car, about this time, you know what I'm saying? I think my mom stepped into the way, but at this time, I'm more focused on this hammer in her hand that I snatched out of her hand. You know what I'm saying? But this time, you know what I'm saying? I think in the process of me snatching the hammer out of her hand, my mom was bumped. She wasn't hit. She was bumped. You know what I'm saying? And at this time, I think my mom snatched the hammer out of my hand. As I read on the paper, she got allegations that I was punching her in her face. Sir, and if you look at the pictures and the camera, she have no bruises on her at all. Nobody have bruises but me.
Okay, what did your mother have to say? And then I might have some questions for both of y'all.
What do you mean, sir?
It's fine. It's okay.
Okay, so what do you want to say about your son?
Well, I've never known him to beat up on no woman. I raised my boys. I don't appreciate no man putting their hands on no woman, period. And majority of what he was saying is exactly how it happened. But I can start from the beginning and go right up to the point where she left. And when the police came in and when I talked to him, I went to grab my son to stop him from getting into a fight with her and stuff. And in the process of doing that, when he went to hit her, I grabbed him and he hit me with his elbow as he was coming around like this in front of me. She was like this on the back, like laying down on that seat. And I thought he had the hammer, and that what really scared me. But she had the hammer, and I did not know that she had the hammer until she told me, Miss Pat, he don't have the hammer. I got the hammer. I said, yo, no, you can't do that. Give me the hammer. And that's when she put the hammer up under the seat of the car. I grabbed him and pulled him to me and kind of like turned him around because I didn't want him to go nowhere over that area again. Nowhere. And that's what it. And like I told him, you know, you don't need this. You don't need this. All it's going to do is get you in trouble. Just give her her keys or give them to me and I'll give them to her. And they were just word for word with different things. But not one time did I see him actually hit her at any form of fashion.
Miss
All I
Carter,
know is
read your quote.
I
I'm gonna
was
read
hit
your quote. Now, you
that
gonna
way.
tell me the truth?
Huh?
You gonna tell me the truth? Because I'm gonna read what you said.
I'm
And you said
telling
he
you
was
the
hitting
truth.
her, and if a man would hit you like that, it would have been
I
murder.
said if my son, when they said that my son hit me, if my son would have hit me, y'all would lock me up in jail because I'll pull one of them pipes out there, y'all, and beat the living hell out of it.
That's what you
I don't
said.
believe in that.
Okay, well, that's your statements are not matching up. You said Patricia Carter observed Chico Carter push LaQuina Smith back in her vehicle. Patricia Carter approached Chico Carter and took
Wait,
LaQuina's feet.
excuse
Patricia
me.
Carter observed LaQuina grab the
I'm
hammer.
not telling nothing about
Carter
you.
took the hammer from her mother. So you took the hammer from him, and then you
No,
stepped
I
in
took
between.
the hammer. I took the hammer from Quincy. Quincy had the hammer. Quincy put the hammer under the seat in the front. She put it in the front of under that seat, like going to the back of the car.
Okay.
And I'm standing right there by
I'm
the
gonna ask you
door.
one question. And you tell me the truth. Okay? While speaking, well, it should be noted that Patricia Carter advised that if a man had hit her like he was trying to hit her, we would be arresting him for attempted murder.
She would have arrested me for attempted rape.
Okay.
I did not say
Probation
arrest.
officer, do you have anything to
Sir.
say?
I do not. I'm just assisting her with the Zoom meeting.
Okay, how you- good to see you.
Good to see
So,
you.
okay.
Okay,
I'm not gonna sit up here.
I just had to ask you questions. I can't hear you. I'll cut her off. Okay. All right, put him back on.
Here.
Okay, I'm ready to vote. I have no further questions.
All right, Mr. Freeman,
I vote to revoke, due to his offered plea of guilty.
Mr. Prater.
I concur.
And I do as well. My vote today is to revoke based on your guilty plea. So today, Mr. Carter, your parole's being revoked. Good luck to you, sir.
Ma'am, sir.
And Mr. Marlboro, that concludes our business in Jefferson. We're signing off at 8:59. Thank you so much.